I have been working in the hospitality industry for the past 5 years, and every year social media is becoming an essential part of a business, especially in the tourism and hospitality industry. Social media became the most popular online activity for all ages of society worldwide. As a result of increases both in the frequency of use and rapid growth of social media, the hospitality and tourism industry has responded in meeting expectations and demands. Our company is using social media to gain publicity, to promote and advertise our products and services, and to build and keep relationship with our customers. With our Facebook page, we add people as our friends, which help us to attach with new potential customers and build brand loyalty. With our Facebook and Twitter account, we keep our customers up to date. Social media will continue to develop and improve for the better.